Your Chevy Corvette C6 from 2005 to 2013 or C7 from 2014-2019. Key fob uses a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. If your remote isn't working, replacing this battery is the first step. The C6 fob is black with a keyblade, while the C7 is sleeker and often keyless. To open the fob, locate the seam at the keyring end. Use a flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry the case apart. Plastic pry tools are ideal to prevent scratches. Insert the tool into the seam and twist to separate the two halves of the fob casing. The battery is a CR2032 type. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the battery's polarity. The positive side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Snap the fob case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Immediately test the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons from a distance of 10 to 20 feet from your Corvette. If it still doesn't work, try synchronizing the fob by cycling the ignition while pressing a button on the fob. If problems persist, internal damage may require professional reprogramming.